What is up, everybody? It's your boy John Carlo, and we are back. I bought a lot of stuff at like 3 in the morning overseas like I usually do, but this time it was a little different because what I was searching for was some gold. Generally, when I buy these boxes, I'm reselling the items on my website, which is also the sponsor of this video, squarespace.com. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Use the link in the description below to get a free trial for 2 weeks using code Blazendary. Generally, I resell the items I get on my website. I think the value of this package is around $2,500. So I'm very excited to open it up. It's a huge box. Like, this takes up my couch. So that's why I had to go ahead and open it on the couch today. Let's go ahead, crack this open. Yo, I'm pretty excited. This stuff in here, I'm glad I'm getting the stuff before I move so I can pack it away, because if I was getting it during moving, that'd be a disaster. You know, so like right before I'm moving, I'm getting in all my items and it just feels good. Wow, this is sick as usual. All right, now I'm on the other side of the couch. As usual, guys, I'm gonna do my best to give a value and estimation of when the item came out and a little description every single time the item pops up on screen. The edits take a while, and I'd really appreciate a like from you guys. So if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button on this video, let's get this to like 7,777 likes. That's a pretty specific number, but that's about how long your boy edits in hours. 7.7 hours a video. So this first item we have right here is gonna be a Bape pouch. I use one of these myself to travel. It's just a great gear holder. Simple little organizer pouch with a zipper in it. You can't go wrong if you get one of these in like a mystery box, which I happen to sell on Blazendary.com, or if you pick one of these up for like 35, 40 bucks. And by the time y'all are watching this video, there's a brand new Blazendary merch drop, so check it out, Blazendary.com. I mean, there's so much in here, I don't even know what to grab. Like, I'm just gonna not even look when I grab the items now. I know you've seen a good bit of mystery box content from me, but if you haven't seen on my Instagram, I've been traveling, and I was in New York as of recently. I'm moving, thankfully, out of this apartment, so I've been very busy. These unboxings are really easy, simple to do, and half of my apartment is in a box right now, so there's not too much content that I really want to get into filming yet. I just want to wait till I get this new place, guys. So get ready for the New York content. I've been hyping it up for quite a while. I've been waiting, patiently waiting for the right opportunity to go to New York, and 2020, well, it happens to be the year. This is actually a 2008 Supreme ashtray is our next item. What's really cool about this item is, well, the fact that it hasn't broken yet over the last 12 years. I even said recently I got one of these in a video. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna sell mine. Sorry, guys. Well, it turns out I found actually a new one. I've got a couple Supreme ashtrays up on my shelf already. Let's get to the next item. The next item that we're getting into, Bearbricks. If you guys aren't familiar what Bearbricks are, they're just a little collectible figurine. There's many different variants. I'd almost say thousands of variants. They release them so often. So these are from, I think, 2002 actually. Yep, this set right here is the Toys R Us set. So this came out in 2002, just like a 6-figure bundle. Shout out to everybody that used to shop at Toys R Us. That's where I used to get my Pokemon cards. And we also have right here just some other ones. So I think this is a really cool item to have. If you're a Bearbrick collector, they're super easy to get into, and you can generally find a lot of your favorite brands. Supreme collectible item. You know, over the years, Supreme has made a ton of different storage variants, ranging from little metal tins to bigger metal tins, containers. This right here is a small metal storage tin that came out in 2017. I know I've got 2 of them sitting up there on the shelf. The next items that we have right here are these little Bearbrick, not Bearbrick actually, no. These are Bape Baby Milo renditions of their figures, their characters. So this isn't actually like a Bearbrick or anything. This is just their own version of it. Pretty interesting, actually. It's sort of like a oversized Lego. Next up, well, it looks like I have a tote bag set right here. These appear to be dead stock. They each have the same design on them. All right, guys, just kind of pulling stuff out here at random. There's just too much to try and sort it out. When it comes to wearables, Bape is just by far one of my favorites, probably my go-to besides Blazendary.com brand. So right here we have a pair of Bape sweatpants with the camo on top. These little sweatpants can maybe range for about $120 to $140. Okay, so actually in the box, there are little boxes. So I kind of want to see what one of these is all about. I think it was like 30 ballpark ponchos. The Supreme ones that originally were a free accessory and then they retailed for $4 on the website. So yeah, this is just a box full of ponchos, you know, just for investment value. This is just gonna be good to literally throw in a storage unit, forget about it for 10 years, come back and say, wow, I have all these brand new ponchos. Would you guys want to see investing and business videos? Would you guys be interested? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like some finance or business or investing videos. And maybe hit the like button too to let me know. I'd be curious to see what you guys think, because stuff like this would be in there. Like when I'm like, okay, I'm buying, you know, 30 ponchos. Like, yeah, I'll see how that does over time. I'll track the value of that in a video. All right, guys, we're gonna hit it with some classic Bape real quick. Right here, as you guys can tell, I've talked about this a couple times, but I'm making you guys aware, when you get a tag like this, it's generally a Bape shirt from the 2000s or older. So what we have here is gonna be a pretty nice condition, Baby Milo A Bathing 8 branded star tee. You can tell on the back too, on that little neck tag. Like this right here, pretty cool combination. And that pink tag on the Travis Scott's is a SneakerCon legit tag. My absolute favorite color on a box logo sticker. Would you guys believe me if I told you that a sticker can go for, you know, $40, $50, all because of the year it came out, how much of it was made, and well, how many of them aren't stuck to something. This is a super popular colorway. They've made some purple items, and I literally think this single sticker cost me like, I want to say 50 bucks. 50 bucks for a single sticker. And the next item that I got in this package was the Child in Car A Bathing Ape sticker. I'm gonna keep this one around. My friend Noah actually has this on his BMW, and I think it's pretty funny looking. So right here we have one of the most popular hypebeast streetwear crazes of all time, the shoulder bag. This one is this 2017 Supreme shoulder bag in particular. Probably goes for about 140 to 150 bucks brand new. It does have the strap as well. Definitely a cool item. Over the years on the channel, I've shown me on Christmas getting like Monopoly or board game kind of stuff. When board games collaborate with these companies, I think it's really cool because it's a unique, one of a kind, you know, versions of the game that you always play. And this board game that I have to show you guys is the Bearbrick Uno board game. So let's take a look at what these cards look like. Here's what the wild card looks like. Yes, I plan to use my Bearbrick Uno in action. So I'm unDSing the Bearbrick Uno. I want you guys to get the first look at the spread. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow, there's all different versions of Bearbricks on here. I actually have this Bearbrick right here. So check that out, guys. Very unique, very original, I would say. I just dropped half the stack. What is that, a Bape shark? Hey, that's cool. I have this one. Yeah, so I would have to say this is by far one of the coolest items that I've unboxed on the channel, just because of the fact that I've been getting into Bearbricks pretty heavily over the last 2 years, I would say. Very cool item. I'll try and find another one. I know some of you guys are going to be asking me, yo, Blaze, where can I cop one? I'll try and get one listed up on Blazendary.com if I find another one for a decent price, you know? And, you know, speaking of website, I want to talk to you guys real quick about the sponsor of this video, Squarespace.com. Squarespace.com is an all-in-one place to make websites that you want to essentially create and show off to the public, whether that's an e-commerce website, a blog, a portfolio. Squarespace is the all-in-one website for you to use. They have easy to access orders, inventory management, and probably the most fun of it all, the site design. So what I want to do for this unboxing, right here we have the Baby Milo Sanrio notebook. I've actually got one of these myself in my office. I want to give this away to one of you guys on my website, and I'm going to show you how to list it for sale. Go to your inventory, type in the title, give it a description, and publish your product. So check out Squarespace, use the link in the description below, use it to start your resale store. When you guys are signing up, use the code Blazendary for 10% off, because that is a super good deal if you're buying a plan annually. Something I missed out on when it came out like a year or two ago. Here's the thing, I got it for a great price. I just don't think it works, so I'm gonna have to take it to an electrician. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, the Supreme The World Is Yours lamp. This is from the movie Scarface, and it's actually one of the lamps that they use I think the solution will be bringing it to somebody that could just fix a light bulb. So I'm going to take it to somebody when I live in New York. I'm sure it'll be very easy. I'll probably even make a little video out of it. Why not? Alright, well, there's another box, and I think I have a small idea as to what this may be. Another bulk order. This right here, guys, we have the Supreme shower caps. It's 31. There's also another 6 of them right here. So in total, we have a little under 40 shower caps. The seller kindly included 2 bakalakas. Alright, guys, in this little varsity jacket right here, we have a bathing ape. Ape shall never kill ape. Pinstripe collared, bomber style, button up. Wow, that was a lot of different ways to describe this jacket, but it's true. Every single one of them is a correct variation with that quilted interior. Very sick jacket. I can see this pricing a little under $250. In the summertime, jackets, well, don't go for a lot, so that's the perfect time to buy them if you have a store and you're trying to sell it in the fall. Here's some of the vintage Supreme that I really wanted to show you that I'm adding to my collection. What I just unboxed are 2 Supreme Louisville baseball bats. Now these bats right here, $400 a bat. They're a little smaller than I had expected, but you know, I can't really be too mad because they are perfectly sized for a shelf, not too oversized, you know, not like an entire size baseball bat. This also appears to be an anniversary bat as well. Something simple, something light, little Bape shirt, goes for about maybe 65 bucks. I don't know why, but I might have misread what this actually was. I have 4 individual Supreme Ziploc bags. Not the box of Ziplocs, just somebody sold me individual Ziplocs. Congratulations, seller. You win this round. I truthfully thought I was buying the Ziploc packaging. This next pouch, we have a little multi-gadget, I don't even know, organizer. Let's see, there's zippers on it. You open it up. Oh, wow, another little Bape item. This looks like something you attach onto a belt, so like a little Bape belt pouch, and then you have, well, it looks like, I mean, would you bring this to school? Guys, the final item of the video, the packaging on it is really stunning. Marvel going along with the Spider-Man theme because it's a Spider-Man Bearbrick. See-through packaging, super, super cool. Bearbricks, 100%. Even the packaging on the inside looks like a city skyline. Super nice little detail. They're also keychains. So you can put this on, you know, your keychain if you want to sport it. This one right here is Spider-Man. Really cool. You know, because they've entered my collection, they'll probably just sit on a shelf along with the other Bearbricks. Really nice attention to detail on this entire set. Sets like these, in my opinion, are undervalued because a lot went into this, I would say, in the product design, the way they got the New York skyline in the background, the fact that they're keychains. And what's super cool is they are like a 33rd anniversary, it looks like, in that top right corner of the package. What did you guys think of this video? What was your favorite item? Let me know down below in the comments section. Hopefully you guys got the giveaway for the $0 notebook. Thank you to Squarespace once again for sponsoring this video. Would not be possible without them. So use that link in the description below when you want to make a website and use code Blazendary to get that 2-week trial and 10% off. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Signing out. Stay positive. And peace out.